Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you read me? Like the emoji. Oh, won't you, oh, won't you, oh, won't you. Okay, so if you're asking what's with the singing and all of that, well, I actually have something very special with me today. So I've been waiting forever to record this video. But this is a freaking package, and I really want to show you why I'm so excited about like my little package. Gosh, so loud. Okay. It's not even ripping properly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is I tried to rip it, and that's all I could get. Anyways, this is why I'm so excited. Oh my god, what is this? This is why I'm so excited. Love the Marvelous. I'm so excited for the juice pop box. I wonder, like, this is actually an unboxing video. So, oh my god, look at that. So cute. It doesn't come with anything else, but oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, is this just a big box for nothing? Like a big package for nothing? That's so sad. I actually wanna try it on this wow. I actually wanna try it on this paper. I'm gonna try it on myself. Wait. Wait. So don't mind the pause, but this is the shade on me. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wait, just a second. Okay. So excited. Once again, this is juice box Lofi Mauve and shade Lofi Mauve from Laneige, and I am so excited that I got this. Anyways, bye.